Philips is oldest machine tool company, like more than 60 years. And we don't go and sell those machines, okay? We sell solution to the customer.
Hello and welcome back to MTD CNC. I am at Phillips Machine Tool here in Pune, and I'm with my buddy Raghu, who I hadn't seen in a while, and I'm so excited to be here to talk grinding with him. There are 3 different lines of Phillips Machine Tools of grinding here, and we're going to learn a little bit more about this from the expert Raghu. So Raghu, thank you so much for being a part of MTD.
Morning, Tony. I'm really excited to be with you here today.
Me too, brother. We've had a lot of trips together, run to a lot of machine shops, made a lot of friends, eaten a lot of food, so now I get to learn grinding from you as well, and I'm excited. So you have 3 lines of machines. What are they?
We are selling since from past 2 years. We are selling cylindrical grinders, we are selling surface grinders, we are selling tool and cutter grinders.
So from those 3 lines, would you mind breaking it down a little further to help the audience know exactly what each of these lines of machines do for them?
We'll start from surface grinders. Surface grinders, you can see we are sold from past 2 years, we have sold like more than 200 machines in India, and we are assembling in India only here. And you can see machines are very compact, rigid, and we can start from length 200 to length 3 meters. We are the only people in India we can supply these machines.
You're the only one that can supply this type of machine, and you mentioned that it should be really quick for the delivery for the customer as well, right?
Yeah, we are keeping stock over in India, like 5 to 10 machines we are keeping stock so that we can give on-time delivery to the customer.
So if I'm a customer watching this right now, why would I specifically look into this machine?
You can see our machines are compact. You can place anywhere, like very small, compact, rigid, high accuracy machine. You can achieve RA value till like 0.1. Sometimes you can achieve 60 micron accuracies.
So highly accurate, highly rigid, small footprint, which allows more space for other machines in the building, right?
Yeah. In India, you can see place like Mumbai. Place is a constraint. The people are working like 800 square meter area. They have to place VMC, grinding machines, so our machines are very compact. They can place anywhere.
That makes sense, Raghu, it really does. So let's work on the next line of machines. Would you mind explaining a little more about that?
We have got cylindrical grinding machines. We are the only people in India who are supplying these imported machine, and we are assembling in India these machines. And we are selling like from length 500 to till 3 meters. No one supply this material. In India, there are some competitor who supply till 1 meter, 1.2 meter. We are the only people till 3 meters we have supplied.
You're the only one that will supply that larger machine for those larger parts. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. And they are highly accurate.
Again, accuracy. Again, we're talking about footprint. But also, again, a second time in a row you've mentioned we are the only ones that are capable of doing this. So while other models might have some competition out there, there's a certain audience that goes, I have to have that. And that's the only time, and they have to go to Phillips to get it, right?
If you can see in India, there are 4 places which are, we can sell high in numbers, like Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, and Delhi. But mostly 60% people, they are into automotive. And apart from automotive, we are targeting like die and mold industry, medical industry, aerospace industry. We have supplied a lot of machines in aerospace, medical, material like inquilin. We have done a lot of trials and we have succeeded in that.
You know, one of the things I like about you is that you're also a mind reader, because that's the question I was going to ask, of what industries do you go into? So since you've already answered that, let's move on to the 3rd line of machines. What's the 3rd line?
We are selling tool and cutter grinders. Tool and cutter grinders, they are very small machines. We have got manual machines. Lot of people, they are buying big machines like CNC grinder, but they don't have small machines. They have to do immediately some tool and cutter grinding, like inserts they have to do grinding, inserts like 10 mg, WNMG, they have to do ball immediately. So we can supply to these machines where customer using like 10, 50 machines, VMC, where they can grind immediately. And we have supplied a lot of machines in India now.
I've been into a lot of machine shops, as you know, around the world. No matter where I go, I always see a manual machine still there. You know, it's always going to be around. And as you mentioned, having that opportunity to maybe just take one part and be done with that one part, and have, instead of having to do a setup on a CNC and programming, every shop should have that one manual piece to get it done, right?
Yeah. You can see one CNC tool and cutter grinding machine costs somewhere around 2 CR. People, they have to pick it, go there, they have to grind it, it took 2 days. But if you keep these machines at their shop, they can do immediately. They can start, anyone can do that.
Time is a very valuable component, and isn't it? And in the U.S., and you might say it in India as well, time is money, right?
Yeah.
And so the ability to combine all of these different units can really help a machine shop, can't
And
it?
really, one important thing is that we are from Phillips. Phillips is oldest machine tool company, like more than 60 years. And we don't go and sell those machines, okay? We sell solution to the customer. We sell solutions. If customer tell we want to do this, then we pitch in. We have got expert people. Our partners are more than 10-year experience. So we give solution. Our Philips main backup thing is that we have got a tech center all over India. We have got tech center in Pune, we have center in Mumbai, Kolhapur, Bangalore. So we keep machines over there, we do trials over there. So if customer say we want to get these parts at your factory, we'll ask them to come, we'll prove it, we'll show them we can cut this. Then people can buy. We don't want to sell bare machine, okay, these are the, we don't sell on spec, okay, we give the solution to the customer.
You, from everything I've seen, are 100% correct. And since you've already mentioned the longevity of the company, the tech centers, the turnkey centers opportunity that you have to make sure you can prove it out, let's also touch quickly on service as well, because you guys are the benchmark here in India for service, aren't you?
Yeah, on service point of view, I will tell you, in India, 70%, in India, we are almost 360 people working in India. It's almost, if you see any machine tool, we may be the on top. We have got 360 people. So in 360 people, 70% people are from service, so they can cater any industry. We give total solution for metal cutting industry. We give grinding, we give milling, you can take 3D printers, we give total solution. No other companies, you can see, you consider any company, they give only, if they are into turning, they give turning. But we give total solution. You want to set up a new plant, we can set up any damn plant into the, like we set up tool room, we can set up any aerospace industry, manufacturing plant, we can do anything.
Raghu, you've already been famous far before my time. You've always been articulate and been able to convey a powerful message. So now that you've excited everyone that's watching with what Phillips does here, what's the website? How can they find you? What's your home address? Give it to them.
So we can, anyone can find us on a website, okay. We have got a website in India, phillipscorp.com, okay. They can go to the website, they can go through like all the machines. We sell more than 10 different types of machines. They can go there, search, and usually all the people know by my name, okay. They can search on my Facebook.
Absolutely true. You're not getting any home addresses today, guys. Raghu, thank you so much for being a part of MTD.
Thank you, Tony.
You absolutely nailed it, guys. This is Grinding. Give Phillips a look.